Hey guys, Lopini the Beast, reacting to Prince Cool Dab, Playtime Short, Race Car the Rapper. Let's get him to 50 subscribers. If you subscribe to me, please subscribe to Prince Cool Dab. He's a very good YouTuber. Let's watch it.
Why am I the only one here?
You're home alone.
Ding dong. Who's that?
Oh, it's Minion.
You have a fun time there, okay? Okay, Nad. Oh, hi. Oh, hey, Minion. Or Minion. What's up? What's up? Yeah, I was really expecting Platygon to answer. I really didn't see him today. None of them, actually. That's weird. Well, I'm gonna go meet them. I'm gonna go, to the house. Our mansion. Ugh, whatever. Bye. Bad dad. So what do you want to do? I really don't know. Come on. Okay, wait up.
But what is this is called?
Like I said, I
Like
don't
a
really know
rapper,
what
I
I'm
think
gonna
he's
do.
gonna start rapping.
Oh, wait, where's your family and those poor people? Well, those people, I don't know where they are. Yeah, it's really weird that you're the only one here. Who cares? But, what do you want to play? I really don't want to play anything because since it's you and me. But your train. My train's not alive. What are you talking about? I haven't trained Zach like that. He's alive because you bought him to be alive. No. See? Where is that button? There it is. Bing. Oh, hey. Mint?
Mint?
Yeah, you didn't know that? No, I didn't know that the whole time. Well, you always have to do something. Well, what do you want to do? I actually don't even know. Well, let's do a rap. Something about rap. Yeah, let's rap.
Do it.
Does the viewers would actually want us to rap? I mean, we'll do more raps. I mean, like, if they want us to. I'm pretty sure they want us to.
Yeah.
No lie. Well, if you really think so, then okay. I'm gonna go rap. What's my favorite thing? I got the best rap ever.
Oh no.
Okay, looks like it's ready. Let's go. Choo-choo. Okay.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love my mac and cheese. It's so
Mac and
cheesy.
cheese.
I want it for my birthday, please. Oh yeah. That's the stuff. I want my mac and cheese. It's so cheesy. Oh yeah. That's the stuff. I want it bad. I want it really bad. Oh yeah, that's mac and cheese. Mac and cheese.
Really
Ooh,
mac and cheese.
Yeah, mac and cheese is so yummy. It's so cheesy and yummy. Oh yeah, cheesy mac. It's so cheesy. And tell you about that. Oh yeah, it's so juicy. So cheesy. Just so please. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. You know what? Cause it's number one.
Oh,
I gotta take it. It's
bars.
enough because it's not the best enough. Yeah. Hello, my name is Mignon. I love Jack and Cheese. It's so mignon. Oh yeah, it's so good. It's so cheesy. You know it would.
Yes.
I love it every day. I want it for lunch, breakfast, and yay.
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's so good. I get cheesy because it's so cheesy too. You know why? It's so cheesy. It's just like mac and beesies. Mac and cheesy. I know why it's so easy. I don't know why.
I don't know why
It's so cheesy. I love it when it's so cheesy. Cheese. I love it. It's so cheese.
Mac and cheese is one of my
that's the
favorite
stuff.
food.
It's mac and cheese. It's number one.
Is
Mac and
Nick gonna
cheese.
start
It's
rapping?
so fun. You're gonna have it all day. It's number one.
Yes.
Hey, my name is Tessa Dreamers. I don't really care because it's a memes. Oh yeah, I love mac and cheese. It's so the stuff. My owner is race car and it's so met a R. Oh yeah.
Mick can't rap.
Yeah, mac and cheese. It's star. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. You can't take it 'cause it's so enough. 'Cause you can't take it, it's enough. You can't take it 'cause it's too much. You can't take it, it's too much. You can't take it, it's too much. You can't take it, you can't take it. It's so juicy. It's so cheesy too.
Yeah, that was a pretty good rap. It ruined it though.
That was a good rap. I know, right? It was about mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese.
Download this in
mac and
iTunes.
cheese.
It's not on iTunes.
Okay, I think that's enough talking or rapping. Yeah. This is very short, actually. It's only like 5 minutes, actually, if you look at it. But yeah.
Don't end it there.
I liked it. So I guess we can just chill for a moment.
Chill for 3 minutes.
Maybe talk to the viewers or subscribers. I don't know. Let's go sit down. Let's go. Okay. I don't know what to do. Yeah, it's like when we blink, it's already like, wait, what? It's already 6 minutes? What the heck? Whatever, but, gosh, I actually don't even know.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Right now, I bet if we blink, like, an hour will go by. In an hour, that's like when I leave. My dad's gonna pick me up. Oh, well, let's blink. No, it's still 6 minutes. Huh.
7 minutes.
That's in our world, it's 1 hour. Ding dong. What was that? That was the door. Let's go see. Okay. Okay, I'm in here.
They left him?
Where is he? They're right here. Hi, Dad. Hey, do you like the hour you spend with them or something? Oh, you mean 6 minutes. Or, no, you should say 7 minutes and 1 hour. Basically, yeah. Yep, we wrapped. Cool. You can tell me when we get to the mansion. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Thanks.
Oh, yep.
You're welcome. And bye, Mignon. Bye.
I'm gonna react to him again. He makes some funny videos about Mickey Mouse.
What do you think of that? Right here. Oh, thank goodness. Mignon left. Oh, man. But doesn't mean we can't play. You know, but I'm gonna take a nap. And the only way I can take a nap is you turn me off. But I love you when you're on. No, it doesn't mean you can't turn me on again. I just want to take a quick nap. Oh, okay. Well, bye. Bye. Wait, will save the data you know about me? No. You have 5,000 million trillion thousand files. Oh, then never mind. Ding. Oh, you're back to a toy. Well, it doesn't matter. We still have fun. Come on, let's go play. Ding. The end.
Yeah. Peace out, guys. Ahmad. Lil Petey the Beast is out.